Hello, my name is Matteo. I'm here with BiaBlue. It's a software company based in Spain. We deal with Swedex, and actually the service we provide is a full solution, including digital signage, video analytics, Wi-Fi analytics, and beacons. So the idea is to transfer all the analysis on customer from the online to the offline. So to create a better customer experience and to provide retailers with all information regarding customers, such as how many times do they visit the store, if they are new or recurrent, which is the most visited area in the store, which is the impact of any marketing campaign. We can create zone analysis and we can deliver your dashboard results according to your business model. So if you are interested in our product, you can visit us on biablue.com.